Replacing an existing doorknob or lever with the Brink's push-pull-rotate lever is an easy job that only requires a Phillips screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. Push-pull-rotate levers can be installed on doors that either push into a room or pull outward from a room. After removing the existing doorknob or lever, you'll need to adjust the outside mounting plate for the door thickness. This will ensure proper operation for the lifetime of your new lever. Brink's push-pull-rotate levers can be installed on doors from 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. If your door is between these two measurements, select the one closest to the thickness of your door. Interior locking and non-locking levers are preset from the factory for doors that are 1 3/8 of an inch thick, and no adjustment should be necessary. On the main lock body, verify the lugs are aligned in the notches marked 35 mm for 1 3/8 of an inch thick doors. Exterior locking levers are preset for doors that are typically 1 3/4 of an inch thick and should not require any adjustments. Verify the lugs are aligned in the notches marked 45 mm for 1 3/4 of an inch thick doors. If the mounting plate is not in the correct position, follow these steps. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 2 screw posts that hold the mounting plate. Slide the mounting plate and the adjustment ring away from the main lock body. Rotate the adjustment ring until the correct notches are aligned with the lugs. 1 3/8 of an inch thick doors use the 35 mm notches, while 1 3/4 of an inch thick doors use the notches marked 45 mm. Slide the adjustment ring and mounting plate back against the lugs and thread the screw posts onto the mounting plate. Tighten the screw posts with the Phillips screwdriver and verify the lugs are aligned with the correct notches. Next, you'll need to select the correct latch mechanism. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the backset. If the distance is 2 3/8 of an inch, use the latch marked 60 mm. On doors that have 2 3/4 inch backset, select the 70 mm latch. Install the correct latch into the 1 inch hole on the edge of the door. Make sure the angled face of the latch is facing the door jamb. Use a Phillips screwdriver and the 2 short screws to install the latch on the door, but do not tighten the screws completely. After installation, make sure you can see the tail of the latch through the hole on the door face. If not, check your backset measurement again and make sure you have selected the correct latch. The main lock body is installed on the side of the door that faces the door jamb. Insert the main lock body through the hole in the face of the door. While looking through the hole, make sure the retractor and the outer case are inserted into the latch prongs and tail. After installation, rotate the lever and make sure the latch bolt retracts. Place the inside mounting plate over the main lock body and against the door. With the mounting holes on the top and bottom of the plate, install the longer mounting screws with a Phillips screwdriver and tighten securely. Push the rows onto the mounting plate until it snaps into place. For interior locking models, install the privacy button onto the threaded shaft and tighten securely by hand. Install the inside lever onto the spindle and tighten the mounting screw. Complete the installation by tightening the screws for the latch and then check the operation of the push, pull, and rotate features of your new lever. Welcome to an easier way of opening your door from Brink's, the trusted name in security since 1859.